Volcanoes can create their own weather. The immense heat and rising ash can lead to violent volcanic lightning storms, making an eruption even more dramatic.
Over 75% of the world's volcanoes are located in a single area called the Ring of Fire, a massive belt that borders the Pacific Ocean. Some volcanoes produce rock that floats. Pumice is so full of gas bubbles that it's less dense than water. But the coolest might be Pele's hair, thin strands of volcanic glass stretched by the wind.